Hi everyone, I just want to help you guys out because this has been a struggle for me to remove the audio jack from the headphones that got stuck in here, and this has been the easiest way. Successful. You don't need any crazy glue. This doesn't work. This is so easy. You get any pen, you take out this little plastic piece, fits perfectly in there, you push in and then you push out, and as you see here, it's been successful. I just literally pushed it in. I don't know how, but it just fit, and that's it, and it came out. It's the perfect size for this little audio jack. Hope this helps, and good luck. Let me know how it goes. Thanks.